Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to do the blinged out Converse sneakers. First, we're going to be using the 1/2" letter stickers, which I purchased from Michaels. The next item would be the 1/2 pearl bead. It's a flatback, and I got this in the color beige. Most importantly, the Rhinestone dotting pen is a dual dotting pen, so you can do the pearls. You can also do the crystals with this pen, which is awesome. The most important part of this is the E6000 Glue, which you're going to be using that throughout the entire video. And then last but not least, the Converse Chuck Taylors. I purchased these in men's sizes because they didn't come in women. I got a size, I want to say 6.5 because I wear 8.5 in women. Oh, and then also you're gonna need the Swarovski crystals. These have 3 different sizes, which is perfect because I wanted variation in the sneakers. So right now I'm pretty much exploring how to use this dotting pen, which it gave me a little bit of a problem in the beginning, but towards the end I pretty much found the way to work with it. Alright, so right now I'm just showing you what I've done so far. I just put the flatback beads on the surrounding of the emblem of the Chuck Taylors, excuse me. And now I'm just propping it up by putting some tissue papers inside of the sneakers to give it more of a firm look, so it's not slouching. So now I realized that I needed a tweezer in order for me to place the beads and crystals where I wanted to lay them down. So now, as you can see, I'm just putting the E6000 Glue onto the sneakers and then using both the tweezer and the dual dotting pen. But I find it easier to use the tweezers because it was able to place them neatly onto the sneakers. So now I wanted to show you all how the Swarovski crystals look. Very shiny, so that is what you will want to get, not just anyone from Amazon, because they do not sell the real crystals. So I'm just placing the largest crystals that's inside of the package that it came in, alongside the toe of the sneaker, just so that I can give it a pop. Now remember, you want to make sure you're getting the 1/2" letter stickers, nothing bigger than that, because if you do, it's not going to fit along the middle of the sneaker. And boom, here is the final product. So now what I did was, what I forgot to mention is that I switched out the laces. So I purchased the Satin Shoe Lace with the metal head. The inches was about, I want to say 49, I'll put everything in the description box below so that you guys can have for reference. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. If you like them, is it too much? Is it just enough bling? But yeah, so I am so ready to wear these sneakers the day of the wedding. As you can see, new last name will be Walker, and getting married September 5th of 2021. Again, hope you guys enjoy and see you soon.